Welcome to Legacy Talks. And of course, ang guest ko ngayon, okay, ang aking puting may bahay. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Happy wife, happy life. Happy husband, wife is suspicious. So, sa segment namin, hindi naman kami mag-aaway. Pero syempre, ano ba na-expect namin dito, Punch, sa ating show? So, pakilala ka naman sa kanila.
Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Ako po si Angelica Sipat, will be host for Legacy Talks. So, ang expect nyo sa akin is more on women empowerment and also politics, same as my husband.
Ayan. So, sa kakonting away siguro, pero scripted naman yun, so huwag niyo masyadong papansinin. So, plug na naman yung social media accounts mo para they can follow you. Di ba?
Most of the time, you can follow me on my Facebook, Angelica Iron.
Yeah, so usapang politika, usapang negosyo. So dito yan daily, everyday kasama ko siya as one of my co-hosts. So abangan niyo po kami sa Pinoy News Daily. And of course, all our SOCMED accounts at Legacy Talks. And maririnig niyo po kami sa Radyo Bandera 90.3 FM Central Luzon every Tuesday and Thursday 2 p.m. So marami po kaming sorpresa para sa ating mga bisita at ating mga netizens. So see you there.